You've got to make an animal sound, but you've got to make it as nonchalant as possible.
Okay. Do you want to start?
Yeah, so if I was like a bear.
Right, and then you got to guess the animal. 2-2.
That's a typical owl for you.
2-2.
Alright. Alright. I don't know why you always go toot toot instead of hoot hoot.
I'm a tooter.
Everyone has a hooter.
Slithery, slimy snake.
Yeah.
No. No.
I really don't know. You're going to have to do it a couple of times.
No. No.
Lovely horse, mate. Okay.
The fuck are you, mate? A fish? Is that a fish?
It's a nonchalant fish, mate.
I've never seen a fish use its tongue like that.
That's how I make the sound. How else do you make the sound? Oh. I'm pretty sure that's a nonchalant pig.
Yeah, mate. Lost child. You little wolfie, mate. You little wolfie.
That's nonchalant animal.
Who was nonchalantest?
True.